Here, don't traumatize her.
Kane, what's the matter? What's the matter? What's the matter?
Pretty bird.
What's the matter?
Pretty bird. Pretty
What's the matter?
Pretty bird. Hey, that's not very nice. Pretty bird. Come here, pretty bird. He looks like a monster through the cage.
He hates that one. Kane, what's the matter?
Pretty bird? Pretty bird.
What's the matter, Kane?
Alright, you're driving me nuts,
Kane, it's okay.
Oh, God.
Poor thing. Kane.
Hey, don't upset her. Pretty bird?
Oh, that poor bird.
She's so jealous. So jealous.
The bird just stuck to the mirror and there's
Yeah, she just like hangs out with her friends in there.
Oh, that's funny.
I'm so glad you guys look like me.
Huh? Okay guys, this dog's driving me nuts. I can't believe you have a bird.
It's just like the one on Dumb and Dumber.
Is
why I say
it
Petey bird.
Petey? Is that his name?
Bird. Yeah, Petey,
Yeah.
They ripped his head off and then they taped it back together and then that little blanket thing.
Yeah. Pretty bird, pretty bird, Kane. Kane, you pretty bird. He doesn't mind when I do it. Pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
You do it, he's just like, oh, that's not even fair.
Bird. Such a pretty little birdie. I'm sorry. Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
You're going on YouTube, Kane. Yep.